Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the CMF Phone 1. And by the way, this one comes from the European distribution, so I'm going to show you all box accessories because it may actually look a little bit different from the different regions. So to open this phone, we can actually find two stickers at the bottom of the top, and we have to just gently take it off. There we go. And we have to do the same with this second sticker. Of course you can cut them, but I will try to this way because there's like first phone with this removable stickers. Now let's go inside. As you can see, the phone actually comes with this protection. So we've got information to replace the back cover. First remove the SIM tray, then remove 4X screws and the accessory interface. Okay, there's the accessory interface that we can move. Right here, we got information about the microphone. It's located right here. And some kind of the IMEI number. Let's move inside. Let's take it off. Okay, for some reason I just cannot remove it, but okay, now I got it. Here we are. And that's how the phone looks. There is, by the way, the protection on the display. There's like default screen protector. And on the right side we've got the power button, so let's click and hold it. Let's try to turn it on. At the bottom we can find the speaker, the USB-C port, there's the SIM port. On the left side, two buttons, the volume buttons. At the top we can find another microphone. It looks like, unfortunately, we cannot find here the AR blaster. And this back cover is made out of the plastic. There's also the two cameras, and the selfie camera is located right here. And now let's check for some other accessories that you can find here. So as you can see inside, we can find the charging cable. And right here we can also find the SIM tool, which looks like this. There's no earphones, there's no charger, as you can see in the European distribution, the user manual, and that's everything that comes in the box with this phone. So it will be all the quick information for you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.